How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your Facebook account. So once logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings, and just like so inside here, tap on See More in Account Center. Just like that, scroll below again, then tap on Password and Security. And then you'll be able to find two-factor authentication, tap onto it, and then select your Facebook account. Just like so, you'll then be able to find three options: Authentication app, SMS or WhatsApp, or security key. The recommended one is Authentication app, but I'm going to go ahead and simply select SMS or WhatsApp, then tap on Next. Now you want to go ahead and simply add your phone number, then tap on Next again. And just like that, a verification code is sent to you on your mobile device. You want to go ahead and enter the code right over here. Once you have entered the code, tap on Next again. And then you want to go ahead and simply enter your password. And just like that, as you can see, two-factor authentication is now turned on. And that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.